Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
Power BI classes with real-time interview questions and answers. Class 12. What are numeric or what-if parameters in Power BI? In this class, we are going to discuss about what are numeric or what-if parameters in Power BI. A numeric parameter in Power BI, also known as what-if parameter, is a dynamic numeric input that allows report users to interactively change a value and see how that change affect calculations, visuals or filters in real time. Think of it as a user control number that can influence measures, filters or visual outcomes. There are types of numeric parameters. First one would be whole number, like integers only. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. And decimal number, it allows fractions. Example 0.1, 0.5, 1.0, something like that. Common use cases of numeric parameters are dynamic filtering, that is, shows products where sales is greater than selected threshold, what if analysis, adjust profit margins or discounts, scenario simulation, forecast revenue with varying growth rates, sensitivity analysis, measure impact of parameter changes on KPIs. Let us see these things practically in Power BI desktop. We are at Power BI desktop and I have connected to orders here. In orders, we are connected to sample superstore. From there we have connected to orders table here. We are going to create like numeric parameters. To do that, we have to come to modeling tab and from here new parameter and numeric range we have to select. Now I am giving a name for the numeric parameter, sales threshold, and I'm taking it as a decimal number, and here we have to assign minimum, maximum value or something. Minimum value I'm taking as 0 and maximum 5000 I'm taking, and increment by 100, and default value would be 1000 I'm taking for this parameter. Add slicer to this page. We can directly check this box to add slicer to the visual, like slicer to the page here. It will directly create a slicer. Once we click on this, create, and it created a slicer like this here. And if you come to this, it has created one table that is called sales threshold. In that we are having two values like sales threshold and sales threshold value. To make it interactive, we have to create another measure that I have with me. This measure is above threshold. If sum of sales is greater than sales threshold value, then it is yes and no. This is a simple measure that I have created and we are going to use it here. Now here I am trying to just like format this slicer to get the better visual impact here, and I'll increase some size of this slicer. Okay. Now I'm going to take a table visual, and in the table I'm going to take like city and product name, sales, and the value that we have created above threshold. These are the different values that I'm taking for this table visual. Let us format this simple, let us do a simple formatting to have that one. Column headers are like, well, I'm just increasing the column header value. These are the different values available here. Our sales threshold is now 0. We have started at 0 based on the above threshold measure. What it is going to do is, if sum of sales is greater than sales threshold value, then it is yes, and otherwise it is 0. Now sales threshold value is at 0. Then for all the measures like sum of sales, it has given S. We just try to increase the value C. Now the value is 300. It is only for the values which are above 300 it is giving S, and above values no. In this way we can dynamically check whether the sales threshold is more or no. In this way, by using numeric parameters, we can see the data whether sales is greater than sales threshold value or something, and we can set this sales threshold to an initial value and maximum value that we have set for this is 5000. In this way we can check for all the sum of sales values for city and product name. This is how the numeric parameters or what if parameters are used in Power BI for dynamically filtering or dynamically changing the values for a particular measure or something, to identify the values to make dynamic things on particular measures. This is how we are going to use the numeric parameters, and we can have some like measures created on this. We can test based on that measure the particular sales values or something. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.